fundamental principle of counting. Okay, in short, I can call it as FPC. Now, this fundamental principle of counting have two ways with which we can do the counting. One is called as addition. We can call it as addition rule, and the other thing is called as multiplication or multiplication rule. Okay. Addition rule is also called as OR rule. Multiplication is also called as AND rule. This OR and AND are very important because based on this only in a question we will decide whether we have to add or we have to multiply. Okay. To understand that better, we will take one example. So let's say now since schools are starting, okay, so we'll take an example of school only. So when you have to go to school, so in the morning your mom will prepare breakfast. Okay, so for breakfast, let's say you have been given three options that Philip what you're going to eat. So B1, B2, B3 are three options for breakfast. You can imagine whatever you want to. Okay, and now let's say you have two tiffin boxes. That Philip, it is the day one of your school, so which tiffin box you want to take? Okay, and Philip has four bag options. Okay, you have four different bags out of which you can select any one. Okay, so those bag options I can take it as this breakfast option. Let me replace, I'll write it down as food 1, food 2 and food 3, and bags I will take it as B1, B2, B3 and B4. Are you clear with the overall situation?
Yes, sir.
So there are three food options given to you. You have two tiffin boxes and you have four bags. Question is, how many possible ways are there with which you can select any of the food option to be put in one of the tiffin, to be kept in one of the bags? So since in this example it is mandatory that I have to take food and that food has to be kept in tiffin and that tiffin has to be kept in bag, is there any option where we can skip any of them?
No.
Just imagine I said that take empty tiffin and put it in the bag.
They have to be all done.
Illogical. Okay, take food directly and put it in the bag. That is also nonsense. Okay, so the point is that all three of them are equally important. So when more than one options are equally important, then the AND condition comes into action. I want food, I want tiffin and I want bag. If any one of them is not available, then I can't go further. Okay.
Alright.
So you have three food options, two tiffin options and four bag options. So total how many ways are possible with which you can select any of the food, any of the tiffin and any of the bag? It will be 24 ways.
Okay.
And this thing is called as multiplication rule.
Alright.
Okay. So multiplication rule is clear?
Yes, sir.
Now when we'll move on to addition rule. Okay, for addition rule also we'll take one example. So let's say you went to the market, okay, and now since you have got very good results, so your mom is saying that okay Philip will buy a gift for you. Okay, so you can select whether you want to buy a new mobile or new laptop. Okay, please don't get emotional if any of the thing you actually require. This is just an example. Okay, so your mom has given you an option that you can take a laptop or a mobile. Okay, so laptop or a mobile, you can't take both. Okay, so for laptops you already had 4 models in your mind, that these are the 4 laptops out of which I will be selecting whenever I will buy a new one. Okay, and for mobile phone you have 3 options in your mind. You have shortlisted 3 of them. Okay, so in how many possible ways you will buy a laptop or a mobile phone? Listen to me carefully, a laptop or a mobile phone. So when this is the question, then answer will be 4 plus 3, that is 7 ways.
Okay.
And this is called as rule of addition.
Okay, got it.
Okay, so difference between addition and multiplication is clear?
Yes, sir.
Now let's say if you are if you have decided that no, I want to buy both the things. Okay, your mom is saying no, you will buy either one of them. So then according to you, how many possible ways will be there? You're trying to buy both the things. You want laptop and a mobile. So for you to select between laptop and mobile, it will be 4 times 3, total 12 possible ways with which you can select a pair of laptop and a mobile. And how
Alright.
do we see the pairs? So L1, M1, L1, M2, L1, M3. These are the three pairs. Like that,
Alright.
L2, M1, M2, M3. Then with L3, same. With L4, same. So like that, we will be having total 12 pairs of laptop and mobile. Then you will buy either one of them.
Okay.
Okay. So when there is a case of AND, you are going to multiply. When there is a case of OR, you are going to add. Okay. So this is the basic difference between rule of multiplication and rule of addition.
Okay, got it.
Okay.